Hello, welcome back to gardening class. Today we will learn about something that related with last week. I want to ask you, do you still remember what we learned from last week? Yeah, you're right. We learned about pests. We learned about what the kind of them, what is their character, a little bit talk about how to control them. And today we will more deep discuss and talk about how to conquer them. If you're curious about that, just stay in your slide, in your screen, and let's go to the next slide.
Some pests have their natural enemies who will decrease pest population. This is the important things of integrated pest management programs. Here are some natural enemies that found commonly for some pests. Ladybug. Ladybug is small insect that have red wings with black dots on it. Ladybug is natural enemies for aphids and thrips. They will eat those pests by suck the juice liquid from their body. Spiders. Some species of spiders sting pests commonly. However, we feel lucky if we find those spiders in our garden because they are a predator from any pest in our garden like bugs, aphids, and caterpillars. The pest will trap on spider web, then spider will eat them. Some pests that commonly eaten by spiders like bugs, aphids, caterpillar, and grasshopper. Ants. Some species from ants are natural enemies from any pest in the garden, especially pests from insect family. One of the species that natural enemies for some pests is red fire ants. They hunt their food by colony and their nest under the ground. They will come out from ground when dry season. The predator for some pests like caterpillar, beetles, bugs, aphids, and grasshopper. If you have plants in your house that is not too tall or big size and also not many, you can also use manual method like you cleaning by wiping or spraying by water or spraying by water soap, and also you can take the pest manual, like you can take the caterpillar by your hand. If it's not killing your plants from the pest, you can use the other way, that is by natural pesticide from natural ingredients. Pesticides that use natural ingredients are highly recommended in agriculture. Why? Because this method is more eco-friendly. On the other side, the natural ingredients for pesticide more easy to find out and more simple to make it. There are several types of plants that are used as ingredients of natural pesticide, and each plant has different active compounds, which have different way in controlling pest population. Some natural ingredients that can be used are tomatoes, papaya leaves, it has bitter taste. Soursop leaves, we use the leaves but not the fruit. Chilies, lemongrass is not only for cooking but we can also make pesticide with it. Neem leaves, we have a lot at our school and it can be used also for pesticide. Tobacco leaves, galangal, ginger, garlic, and this natural pesticide we will making for next meeting. Chemical pesticide. The pest control by this method is not good actually. Why? Because it uses chemical substance to make pesticide. If we are apply this method, it will not kill specific pest, but other creatures also, which is good for our garden probably. Here's some reason why this method is not recommended. 1. The pest will be resistant. It means the pest will strong with other chemical pesticide. Second, it will decrease the soil quality because chemical pesticide also kill good microbe or good animal for the soil. And the last, the food from plants that apply chemical pesticide are unhealthy for our body.
Okay, here we are in the end of our meeting today. We will learn about the pests, about how to control the pests, and hopefully you get it. For the next meeting, we will learn about how to make garlic spray, and we will try to find out together. And for now, I will ask you guys to try mention about the organic ingredients for making natural pesticide, except garlic, because I told you garlic is one natural ingredient as natural pesticide. And try to mention also about advantages and disadvantages of the natural pesticide. Okay, you can googling, you can searching, and please type at a note I attach, and also you can record. Yeah. So only that. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching my video.